Hello, this is Johanna from Confetti Design with another how-to video. In this one, we are going to look at how you change a download document that exists currently in your website as part of a sign-up form and you're wanting to update it. The same principle applies for if you're wanting to add in a new form. So there are three steps that we go through. First of all is to create the PDF. The second step is to upload it into your media library so that you have a URL that you can then link through to your sign-up forms. Now, if you are giving away your download for free, you would use the link in your website. Okay, so let's begin. We are going to upload in our media library. So once again, we log into your website by doing a wp-admin and then logging in. And then once we are in, we're going to do that 2 more times. And one of those is going to be the front end, so we can see the changes. Okay. On the 4th tab, we're going to log into your MailChimp account and just to so wherever it logs you in to the dashboard. So once you've got those 4 screens open, 2 of the back ends, okay, one is going to be, you're going to navigate through to the media library, one is going to be the page that you want to change the upload. So here we are on the front end of the website. We're going to your home page because we are talking about this section here, and we're going to test it out once we've changed it to make sure that it is the new version. The second screen we're going to have open is your media library, so you go back into your dashboard and you navigate through to the media library. The third screen is the back end of the page, okay, and there we can scroll down to the section where we are going to change the code. So once we have those 3 pages open and our 4th page is our MailChimp, we're good to go. So the first step is once you've created the PDF, we're going to upload it. So to upload any new media, whether it's an image, it's a video, generally not a video because they're much bigger, we might embed the code, but if it's a PDF or an image or a document, we would go into the media library and we're going to add new. And there's 2 ways to do that. We can just click on this blue button here, or down the left-hand navigation, it says add new. We're going to select the file. And here we are in our files, and let's say it is the client manual. Choose, and you can see that it's uploading here. When you click on it, select that, you can see there's the file name and here is the URL that we want. And we're just going to select that by copying it. Okay, so that's the first step, is to create the PDF, and then second step is to upload it into your media library. Now, if it is part of the download where you sign up, so if we have to give our email address, that means it's going to link in with MailChimp. So we're actually going to update that in MailChimp. And we will go to navigate to the word lists. So this is the list that is populated when someone signs up on your website for that download. And there it is there, the client manual template. And we click on that list to say I want to investigate that list, and I'm going to have a look at the sign up forms, because when that person signs up for that list, they will be taken through a series of steps to agree to be part of your list. And when we design these pages, so here's the page, thank you for signing up and requesting it, so they have to approve it. Then we go through each of them, and it's the final, not that one, it is the thank you page. It's not that one, it is the final welcome. You can now download your client manual here. So we edit this field because that is a link. And we are going to update that link with the new link that we got from your media library. So it's taking a minute to load. Here we go. And in here, once they're all the little icons, this here, you'll notice, is actually a link. Okay, so we're going to give it a link, and that's the web address of that PDF document that is housed on your website. So we change the upload, the document, we insert it, and we save and close. And then we can go back to the home page of your website and test it. Okay, it's still saving. And there we go, list form successfully updated. Okay. So when we sign up to your list, which we can go and do, we will see that that form has changed. So that is the first part. Now, if you're wanting to update a link in your website, let's navigate through to your blog post, because the blog post also has a link. So if we go to your blog, so the first one we've done is when it's part of a download. So this will be the same one. This links in through to the same list, but you have a systems. Here we go. I believe that it's in this page here that you have that download. Here's your download your client here. So see that here? When we click on that, it takes them to a new page and they get to download the free client manual. Okay, there it is there, and the download buttons appear. So if we wanted to update that document and you wanted to change it to a new one that's new and improved, we would go into the blog post and we would do exactly what we did in the MailChimp, but we're doing it in here. And there's the word here. We highlight it. That's the visual. There's the link. We would edit that link and we would pop in the new URL that we got from over here. We would repeat and take that code, and pop it in here and update. Okay, and then you would update the page. So that is how you update a document that is part of a sign up, or if you're giving it free within just on a page such as a blog post.